My name is Gabriela. I am an installation technician at AWS, and I have been a part of it for almost 6 months now. I'm a part of the infrastructure delivery team, and as an installation technician, our responsibility is installing cabling for the new incoming racks in the data centers. Before AWS, I was a professional handball player for so many years. I thought it was a great idea to create a new career path, and that's when I saw an internship program in AWS, and I went for it. When I applied for the job for the internship program, I didn't actually expect it to get in and be a part of AWS. It was a major surprise that I got in, and since then I started to learn and expand my knowledge about data centers and everything about it in AWS as a company. Well, my biggest surprise since I've joined AWS is the diversity in the company, the people, the culture, and my team has also been very supportive and approachable and helpful as well to help me grow and expand my knowledge and solving all of the problems and the issues I've dealt with. Well, my favorite leadership principle is learn and be curious. Since I'm coming from another profession, that's the one thing that is driving me to learn in AWS and expand my knowledge as well. My advice for anyone looking to be a part of AWS would be more out there, ask as many questions as possible, try to learn many things, because every day at AWS is a new day and you learn so many things.